Okay, for this question, we're given a pie chart and we're told how many people or how many sets of data is represented on the pie chart, and we need to find out certain information such as how much does each slice represent. So in this case, we're looking at favourite foods, and we've got a slice here of 120 degrees, which represents the chips, 90 degrees, which represents favourite food as being burgers, 75% that represents fish fingers, and 75% that represents curry. And another very important bit of information that we are given is that the total is 216 people have been surveyed. So we want to ask how many people out of that 216 people liked chips. To do this, we need to take that angle, 120 degrees. We want to find what that is, what that 120 degrees is as a portion of the whole slice. Sorry, as of the whole pie. So 120 degrees, that's 120 degrees out of 360 degrees. Then we need to multiply that by the total number of people in that slice, in that pie. So 120 divided by 360 times 216 equals, and that equals 72. So that 72 represents the number of people in this pie chart that like chips as their favourite food. So let me just write up there, chips. If we did this again for fish fingers, we do exactly the same thing. So if the slice of the pie for the fish fingers is 75 degrees out of 360 degrees. Then we need to multiply that by the total number again, total number of people in the pie, 216, and that equals 45 people. So if I ask you the question of this pie chart, how many people are representing the slice for fish fingers, how many people like fish fingers out of 216, that's how you'd work it out. So, when we're analysing pie charts, a few important things we need to know. We need to know the angle in the slice that we're looking at. We also need to know the total number of units. It might not be people, it could be anything else. The total number of units inside the pie chart. A question which I'll leave you on to try out yourselves is, how many people are representing burgers as their favourite foods? Just to quickly answer that question, the number of people that like burgers, to work that out, we'd say burgers represents 90 degrees in our pie out of 360 degrees, so we do 90 divided by 360, multiplied by the total, 216, gives us 54. So there were 54 people who said they liked burgers as their favourite food. And that is how we analyse pie charts.